Dear Jess, I'm back in Mallorca, and today I'm making a well-known favourite of yours, an exquisite and traditional old thing on the island, Conill amb Ceba, rabbit with onion, a Mallorcan staple, delightfully simple and easy to prepare. Now, many people out there may not know that most native Mallorcans, such as yourself, speak Catalan, or rather a dialect of Catalan known as Mallorquí. And since I learnt these traditional old preparations from your grandmother, her words are still ringing in my ears. So in the interest of authenticity, and for the benefit of our Catalan and Mallorcan viewers, I'm sure I'll be forgiven for lapsing into Mallorcan from time to time. Salut, cheers. The charm of this Mallorcan gem is its simplicity. Am de menester un conill amb sa fetge. We just need a rabbit with its liver, if available. Cebes blanques. Several onions. The white, sweeter varieties are usually used in Mallorca, but regular cooking onions are perfect. Alls y tomàtiques. Garlic. Tomatoes are optional in that some cooks wouldn't dream of including them. Others swear by them, suggesting that it doesn't really matter one way or the other. A glass of dry white wine, extra points if it's Mallorcan. Olive oil. And some bay leaves. That's it. The sobrasada, this lovely raw cured Mallorcan sausage, which is spread like pâté, is just for display. Now, rabbit butchery is not a delicate art. Legs off and cut into two. Split down the middle, chop. Four legs off, done. I començarem a dorar el conill. Let's start browning the rabbit. Posarem sa paella amb soli. Masses of extra points if using the finest Mallorcan extra virgin olive oil, and plenty of it. In traditional Spanish cookery, there's really no such thing as a tablespoon of olive oil. The bottom of the pan is covered, then more added to taste. Un poquet de sal. Ara el que fem és donar-li la volta perquè se faci ben doradet per tot. So the pieces are browned nicely all over, seasoning as you go. Oh, nearly forgot the liver, so get that browned quickly too. Okay, get them out the way and we can get the onions going. Ara tallarem la ceba, tallarem primeta, aquesta ceba minva molt, torna molt poqueta cosa. This dish can take a tremendous amount of onion. I used 4 for about 3/4 of a rabbit, but still felt it could have done with a couple more. No l'hem de cremar, i l'hem de dorar. Hem d'anar remenant molt poc a poc, si no se cremaria, fins que la tenim ben morta. Sweat them down patiently with the bay leaves. A little salt while they cook will always help the process along. L'hem d'anar collint molt poc a poc. The tomatoes are grated like so, and the garlic roughly chopped. The garlic joins the onions for a few minutes, and then the tomato is reduced down a few minutes longer. Posarem la greixanera in el foc. Mix in the rabbit. I've transferred to an earthenware pot for the final part of cooking, just for presentation really. Un poc de vi blanc, a glass of wine, un poc d'aigua, and a drop of water. Una remenadeta, i s'ha d'anar bullint. Loosely cover and simmer gently for half an hour, turning the pieces once. Això ja està cuit, Ja podem dinar, podem emplatar si trobeu bé. You certainly won't regret giving this typically Mallorcan conill amb ceba a go. Such simple cookery and all the better for it, with the slight astringency of the wine, make a wonderful accompaniment to the delicious rabbit, conill amb ceba. Picky? You don't know what you're missing. Bon profit, espero que vos agradi. Please do drop me a like to help my efforts reach a few more people, and subscribe to keep following me on ever more culinary adventures. Adeu!